Hello everyone. Fill down was mentioned in the previous video. If you want to do fill up, how do you do it? Or fill the content of the left table into the blank cell of the right table. In this issue, we will discuss this function in detail. Here are two examples. And mark the range of each song in column K. If few cells need to be filled down, you can also select the data and range to be filled. And press Ctrl D, it will fill down. Also select the range, press F4 to repeat the previous action, maybe save a little time. In addition, the shortcut key also provides filling to the right, Ctrl R. If only select a single column range, then only copy the data on the left. If you select a multi-column range, then it will be based on the leftmost data and fill right. Fill down and fill right are the most commonly used operations, so Excel will provide shortcut keys. Other fill left or fill up are built in the menu and do not provide shortcut keys. How to do if there are many cells to fill. Select the ISRC and song title columns. Find and select. Go to Special. Select blank. Don't do anything at this time. Move the cursor into the formula bar. Input equals. In this example, click on B9. Hold down Ctrl and press Enter to automatically fill down. Mark these autofill cells. Click on the content just filled. We'll find that the filled cells are all formulas, refer to the previous cell. It is not a fixed value. This is different result as manual filling. If sorting is required, confusion may arise. These need to be copied and pasted values when necessary. If fill up. Similarly, select the range of ISRC and song title. Find and select. Go to Special. Select blank. Also input equals on the formula bar. And select B10. Hold down Ctrl and press Enter to automatically fill up. The contents of these cells are referred to below. Note that when clicking for the first time, it will become deselected. Relatively simple if using Power Query. Data from table/range. After entering Power Query, you will see that blanks are converted to null. Select the ISRC and song title columns. Transform. Fill. Down. Can see that the null has been filled. Press close and load and you will see the form is filled. In the fill up example, bring the data into Power Query in the same way. Select the ISRC and song title columns. Transform. Fill. Up. Select Load to put the two examples side by side. Next, how to fill the table on both sides. It can be seen that the difference between the two tables. How to fill right table blanks with left table's data. Similarly, select blank cells in the table. And select the corresponding left table position. Press Ctrl Enter and it will be filled automatically. Note that in this selection range, there is one cell that is highlighted. This is called the active cell. However, if, possibly, the way you select the range is different, the position of the active cell will change. At this time, the reference material should be selected according to the corresponding position. If you see that the active cell is not at K2, but you still select B2 as the reference value, then there will be an error. You will find that the position offset of the table is applied. Two ways to solve this problem. 1. Where the active cell is, click on the relative position as the reference point, instead of following a common paradigm to choose reference points. 2. Reset the position of the active cell. Press Ctrl and click K2. Note that when clicking for the first time, it will become deselected. Need to click again, then can see that K2 becomes the active cell. At this time, then can set B2 as its reference point. This is a simple application. If you want to use Power Query to merge these two tables, it is much more complicated and not so intuitive, so I won't go into details here.